Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sign a Google document. You're going to insert a drawing, so select insert and go to drawing and select new. You're then going to create a line just like this to add like the signature. Then you're going to select this again and you are going to select scribble. And then just sign it however you want. I'm just going to create a fake signature, of course. I'm just going to sign it lovely with like a heart at the end. I don't know why that didn't make it. Okay, like so. And I can also make the line a little bit thicker if I want here. Okay, there you go. Once you're done, you're just going to select save and close. And then you can write down your name here. Lovely love bug. Okay, so weird, but and just have it here, and then that's it. You would just sign it like that. That's pretty much how you can sign on a Google document. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!